Everybody talks about Somali business, but nobody shows you where it actually happens. So let's go to the ground level where success and survival are the same thing. I went to the Bakaro Market, not to shop, but to listen, to see how Somali business really works at the ground level. Bakaro is not just a market, it's a city within a city, a place where the money never stops moving and the hustle is older than the buildings. It's loud, it's crowded, and it's absolutely alive.
ماشي ماشي من هنا وراء او زهو ماشي 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 من هنا ماشي تليفون جاي غادي مش تليفون لا شيء بضاعة فرن حلبت صوماليا تعلموا What you see here is raw business. No apps, no branding, just repetition and consistency. This is where people come to build from the ground up. I even had the chance to speak with one of the many hardworking businessmen and women here in Bakaro. The market was too loud to capture his voice, but his words stuck with me. He told me business is tough, but giving up is not an option. That's the energy you feel here in Bakaro. Relentless, unfiltered, and full of faith.
Today we're here in one of the biggest markets in East Africa, located in Somalia, Mogadishu, and we're talking to one of the businessmen here in the Bakaro Market. Welcome, sir. What's your name? And
my name is Moulid. Welcome again in Bakaro Market, one of the biggest markets in Mogadishu, Somalia. This site we call Khalifa. It is the site that we sell in the curtain and some of the house uses. So the business really is moving, but it looks like it's going by slowly, day by day, because of the crackdown of the economy in this country.
So what do you say about customers? Like, how many customers do you get?
We do receive customers daily, but the quantity that we receive
Went down.
Is going down, yes.
Okay, so but you still hanging on, and you still get
but we still trying our best. We are getting a little bit closer to the point, but not as well as we wish.
So with what's going on around the world, like, we see that effect here also in addition the economy
the economy of the world truly is cracking down.
Yeah.
So and what we are experiencing here in our area, it's real what's happening in the world.
Yes. Yeah, you can see since the economy went down, the whole world is everything, all the business affect everything, from Somalia to US to Canada, everywhere. So but still, with all that going on, business is still good.
Business is still good, and we are trying hard, and we wish the best from them.
That's why Bakaro is one of the biggest markets, not in Somalia, but in East Africa. So thank you for your interview.
Thank you so much.
Then I walked to the vegetable section, a different rhythm. Most of the sellers here are women. Sharp, fast and focused. They run their stalls like CEOs, calculating, negotiating, and making sure their families eat. This market doesn't just feed the city, it fuels it. Every penny earned here keeps the city breathing. From the seller of the vegetables to the importer of the electronics, they're all connected. As a Somali who lived abroad and returned, Bakaro reminded me that real business is not about what you wear, it's about what you survive.
muuqaalkan waa la isweydiinaa ku dhahay kaamirada ayaa ka hadlaa
No degrees, no investors, just knowledge passed down, hustle passed forward.
adaa duubis u baahan baa
Vegetable side. You got the onions, potatoes, everything. Everything is cheap. The biggest market in East Africa. Welcome.
There's something sacred here, something strong, and it deserves to be documented, respected, and remembered. This is Nomad Mindset, the stories of people who build from the bottom up.
waxaa tiktok wax la soo dhigaa ma ada xariif ilaahay taani adiga
If this moved you, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow at Nomad Mindset TV on all platforms for more real stories from the streets of Somalia and beyond.
adinku jirto way adin lagu daraa adin ka baqin dadka dhan iyo digtoono ay ku jiraan bismillah
qofka inuu isku dhex arko mar TikTok soo dhex wareegay